welcome! I'm so happy to see you. Today we will learn colors with Baby Shark. Are you ready? Let's start!
Baby shark is swimming in the deep blue sea. Do, 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 come and swim with me. Baby shark is smiling, happy and free. Let's learn colors, you and me. Hey! Red, 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 look at red. Baby shark is red instead. Red like apple, red like heart. Red, 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 let's all start. Red, 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 clap your hands. Red, 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 make a band. Baby shark says red is fun. Red, 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 everyone. Hey! Blue, 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 swimming blue. Baby shark says hello to you. Blue like ocean, blue like sky. Blue, blue, wave high, high. Blue, 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 splash, splash, splash. Blue, 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 make a splash. Baby shark loves blue so much. Blue, 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 gentle touch. Hey! Yellow, yellow, shiny bright. Baby shark is full of light. Yellow sun up in the sky. Yellow, yellow, jump up high. Yellow, yellow, jump, jump, jump. Yellow, yellow, bump, bump, bump. Baby shark is feeling glad. Yellow, yellow, happy and glad. Hey! Green, 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 soft and slow. Baby shark says watch me go. Green like grass, green like tree. Green, 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 follow me. Green, 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 spin around. Green, 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 touch the ground. Baby shark says green is cool. Green, 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 super cool. Hey! Clap, clap, clap for red, red, red. Splash, splash, splash for blue, blue, blue. Jump, jump, jump for yellow, yellow. Spin around for green, green, green. Red and blue, what do you get? Purple shark, don't forget. Yellow, blue, mix them tight. Green shark, shining bright. One red shark swims by. Two blue sharks wave high. Three yellow sharks play all day. Four green sharks shout hooray! Our red shark is swimming slow. Colors dancing to and fro. Sing with joy, sing with cheer. Baby shark, colors here. La la la, do do do. Colors bright for me and you. La la la, do do do. Baby shark loves colors too.
Great job, kids! You did amazing! You learned so many colors today. Bye-bye, kids! See you next time! Let's sing and learn again!
Thanks for watching Kissin' Kids. See you next time.
Like and subscribe!